Hello and welcome again at Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel, we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about EBON International Holdings Incorporated, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name EBON. Well, today we see actually very interesting candle formation. It's a candle that started with a step up at the opening and also did show enormous volatility during the day trading, showing very big upwards and even bigger downwards shadow. And of course, the question is what's next and what could cause this? Because of course, if you would look free trading sessions ago, yes, you can say that moving averages, and by the way, before we start there, we have here two moving averages depicted. These are moving averages 20 and 50 being green and blue line. We don't have moving average 200, the red line, because still it's not enough time, not enough data to form it. So what do we see here? We see that moving average 20 and 50 free trading sessions ago, they were already going to acceleration mode. The volume was slowly picking up. The moving averages were turning upwards. So it was clear that from the technical point of view, we will have some growth. And indeed, we had it like this candle. You can see it went all the way above, let's say, 670. And but then the further growth, which almost, let's say, up to 100% over all these 2 days, was, of course, it's a combination of technical growth, technical rebounds, but also actually news. And speaking of the news, of course, it was just disclosed that the end of offering is taking place, and a closing of offering 2 hours ago for 70 millions. And of course, these all together, so expectations of those, they allowed to finish with positive, let's say a little bit positive today. But do not forget that also during the day trade we were long negative as well, forming the dark candle, because all the way we were in this shadow, it was a dark candle. Actually, it was very similar to what we observed previously, like here, the dark candle by beginning of the year, or here if you look in October also, and similarly in July. So all these examples are very good examples of these strong upwards moves and then strong downwards candle formations. And of course, in that sense, the question is what's next for the stock, because it's a company of almost 1.5, to be more precise, 1.46 billions market capitalization. So you wouldn't expect these big moves here, but yes, it's indeed very volatile. So how to trade here? And if you want to understand how to trade here, first of all, you need to see that there is a trading channel, which the bottom of it is very low. It's around 4. Let's say we can call it here R1 level, and then the top of it was a little bit descending, but now, let's say, with this price action, it would be quite hard to say where it would be. So it was definitely pierced upwards during the latter 2 trading sessions, and this is actually the channel of R2. So R1, R2 channel slowly, let's say, converging, but now we see the piercing of it. Yes, we see the piercing of it upwards, but also the candle of today looks as a piercer candle. So it's a candle that might cause the price to drop below R2 level. And if this is happening, then it will be very safe and nice entry. So therefore, how we would play here, it would be immediate buy within the shadow of the previous candle, of the lower shadow. So it's between 750, let's say, all the way down to somewhere 670. This would be, let's draw it as a dark circle. So this would be the first entry opportunity. Very nice entry here. So let's write it down. If we decline there, it would be a really good possibility to ride volatility waves in this case. So this would be between, let's say, 680 to 750. So that would be the first entry opportunity. If this is happening, if we do immediate rebounds, it would be then advised to sell with a profit, take your profit, and the profit taking, we advise at our channel, Usually it's 10 to 15%, so 10% for slowly moving charts and 15% for fastly moving. This is like fastly moving, so we can hope for up to 15%. And this is the range how we decide if our prediction was positive or not at our channel. So indeed, don't be too greedy, just take it once you have it, because if you do monthly 10%, even, believe me, you will have a multiplication of your profit 2, 3, even more times, depending how frequent you do it, because it adds up non-linearly. So once we enter at the first, and if we do rebounds further, you know what to do, you take your profit. If we decline deeper, this is also possible, then no problem, we are very safe. Whenever you are inside of R1, R2 channel, you are very safe, and the closer you are to R1, you are even more safe and you can make even more profit. So if the price continues dropping, could be just either healthy, let's say, correction or whatsoever. So this would be also very long-term, let's say, seen kind of a mixture of supports and volatilities and resist lines, a very good level of S1. So anything between S1 and actually lower level, which is can be seen here. Let's write it, let's put it here. So this would be something at let's say 520 almost, the level S2 would be very nice opportunity to average down first time. So if you would write it here, so this is here with circles if you would like to draw, and if you would like to write it numerically here, let's do it. These would be the levels between let's say 520 all the way to 6. Very nice channel to enter. Should be also very strong repulsive here, and if we go that low, it could be a technical rebounds, at least to R2 level we should go high, so you can make a very good profit up to 15-20% if you want. And further on we could decline only if some negative catalysts come. If this is happening, then of course we go all the way down towards let's say R1 level, and then the final support, final money, is kind of a doomsday scenario you can keep, is to average down at in the vicinity of R1. And if you would speak of precise numbers, these would be something, if you look carefully at the chart, let's say something between 380 to 415. So this would be the last average down opportunity, but mainly it can be expected only if we have some really negative catalyst. So this is the numerical table if you like to play it like this or use it like this. Here on the right side you see the more graphical one. And speaking of how to trade here, it's again classical 1-2-2 strategy, so it's very positive, very bullish overall. What does it mean? It means that the funds you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions, then you can buy with 1 portion in the first circle, you can buy with 2 portions in the second circle, and you can buy again with 2 portions in the vicinity of R1, and then you can wait for actually rebounds upwards. So if we rebounds from R1 level, at least we can go to S1, S2. If we rebounds from S1, S2 channel, at least to R2. So overall, very positive stock to play. Technically behaving perfectly nice, so also showing good volatility. So if you're very careful, not too greedy, waiting for profit, taking it in time, you can do very nice, actually multiple entries and exits here according to these positions. So good luck with it, good luck with EBON. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you didn't do so already. This way we will stay connected. And by the way, you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, or you can check our free mobile application for Android devices called Stocks Advisor. See it in the description to this video. So let's stay connected. Also, please check other videos at our channel, even up to 5 weeks ago posted. They are still fresh, and the situation discussed there just could be happening right now, so you will be in time to enter and make your profit there as well if you like the analysis. So with this being said, good luck with EBON, and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor channel.